Developing right now, a judge has declared a mistrial in the case of a mom who's accused of killing her 3-year-old son.
Erica Dotson has been on trial now for 2 weeks, and she will be back again for another trial. Fox 35's Marie Ettinger is live in Vieira tonight. So, Marie, the defense accused the state of hiding some evidence.
The court minutes from today say that wasn't a mistake by the state. The judge says the prosecutor willfully hid this from the defense. 2 weeks of testimony in Erica Dotson's murder trial, and we'll hear it all again. On Tuesday, a judge declared a mistrial, saying the state attorney's office should have disclosed an interview they did with Dotson's boyfriend, a co-defendant in this case. On the evening of June 11th, 2021, Erica Dotson called 911 to report her 3-year-old son, Jamison, wasn't breathing. She said her boyfriend, Joshua Mans, had told her the boy drowned in the bathtub while she was at work.
And then he had a seizure, but the bathtub is so full. Why is the bathtub out?
But investigators said there was no evidence of drowning. They said the boy had bruising, hemorrhaging, blood clots, brain swelling, and stab wounds to his head, plus fractures in his arm and rib, a broken tooth pushing into his gums, a broken jaw, and a rupture to his esophagus. West Melbourne police officers arrested Dotson and Mans, accusing them both of murder. The state attorney's office told us, although they interviewed Mans, they didn't use his testimony during trial, but that didn't matter to the judge.
The state's burden is way higher than the defense's. They're to turn over pretty much anything that they've touched or seen that relates to that particular criminal case, especially if it might prove that the defendant is innocent.
So what happens now? We asked a defense attorney not associated with this case.
We've got to do this thing over again, which is an incredible expense to the county and time and everybody else that's involved in this, and may in fact give the defendant an opportunity to continue to pursue plea negotiations.
The state has now added a thumb drive with Mans' interview to the discovery list in his case and Dotson's. Mans is back in court on Wednesday to decide when his trial will actually start. As for Dotson, she isn't in court until the end of October. That's when the prosecutors and defense and judge will discuss when her new trial will begin again. Live in Brevard County, Marie Ettinger, Fox 35 News.